तेरे को तो ये कहा था 9 बजे इसको लेके आना है, तू अभी तक यहीं घूम रहा है।
नहीं सर, घूम नहीं
यू आर
रहा।
हाईली इररिस्पॉन्सिबल।
नंबर नहीं लग रहा सर, सुनो तो सही।
तो तू गया क्यों नहीं अभी तक?
मेरे को पता नहीं है ना कहाँ पे है सर, कहाँ पहुंचे। पिछली बार सर सुनो सर, गाली देने के पहले सुनो तो सही। उनको वहां से लेके आया था मैं पिछली बार। मेरे को लगा
किसको लेके आया था?
पिछली बार के एग्जामिनर को मैं ही तो लेके आया था मनीष के साथ।
What you just heard was a conversation between Professor Dr. Ravindra Solanki and a postgraduate student, Dr. Jishnu Mohan, both from PGIDS Rohtak. But this wasn't a one-off argument. This is the kind of power play that's been going on for years. It's just the tip of what Dr. Jishnu is now calling 3 years of sustained alleged harassment, and it's finally out in the open. Hello and welcome to Straight Up by edX Live. I'm Soumya, and today we are talking about a medical student who says he's been harassed, humiliated, and even assaulted, all while trying to complete his education. So let's dive straight in. Dr. Jishnu Mohan is a third-year postgraduate resident in the Oral and Maxillofacial Surgery Department at PGIDS Rohtak. And according to him, Dr. Solanki, his professor, has spent the last 3 years mentally torturing him, making him do personal errands, threatening him with political power, asking him to get involved in his personal and suspicious money transfer to unknown numbers, and most recently, physically attacking him inside the OPD. Dr. Jishnu alleges that Dr. Solanki forcibly took his phone, dragged him by the arm, verbally abused him, and threw a chair at him, all in front of a faculty who stood by and did nothing. He says this was the breaking point. But here's the thing. This isn't the first time someone's spoken up about Dr. Solanki. Many past students and Jishnu's seniors have also filed complaints as they were subjected to repeated sexist comments and psychological harassment under the same professor. But these complaints were brushed aside with just a warning. This time though, there's a viral audio, there's a formal complaint, and there's national outrage. Resident doctors across India from AIIMS Delhi, PIMS Rohtak, Government Dental College Thiruvananthapuram have come out in support of Dr. Jishnu. They say this isn't just one bad professor. It's a systemic problem, a culture where abuse is normalized and juniors are expected to understand and adjust. In response to the growing pressure, PGIDS Rohtak has formed an inquiry committee. Dr. Solanki has been barred from supervising postgraduate students and restricted from contacting Jishnu or any other complainants. And today, April 7, the case hit a crucial point. The inquiry committee called Dr. Jishnu to appear in front of the panel. We spoke to UDF Haryana State President Dr. Amit Vyas, who addressed the issue head-on and called for swift, transparent action. Here's what he has to say.
Dr. Jishnu Mohan, a third-year postgraduate student in Oral and Maxillofacial Surgery Department at PGIDS Rohtak, has been reportedly been subjected to continuous harassment, abusive language, and physical assault by Professor Dr. Ravindra Solanki in the same department. Such behavior is entirely unacceptable in any academic and professional institution where mutual respect and a safe working environment are paramount. In light of this, UDF Haryana demands for immediate actions. First, immediate suspension of Dr. Ravindra Solanki pending a thorough investigation into his repeated misconduct. Second, provision of police protection to ensure safety and mental well-being of postgraduate doctor. Third, exclusion of Dr. Solanki from serving as an examiner in final year MDS examination. Fourth, prohibition of Dr. Solanki from being appointed as postgraduate guide in the future. We urge immediate intervention in this matter to ensure justice for the PG doctor and to uphold the dignity and safety of all postgraduate doctors at PGIDS Rohtak. We await prompt and decisive action by Haryana government and university administration on this pressing issue.
Dr. Jishnu says he fears for his life and fears that his professor's political connection might be used to silence him. But instead of backing down, he's gone public. And that has sparked a wave amongst doctors and Doctors Association across the country. This case isn't just about one student or one professor. It's about the cost of staying silent in institutions where power goes unchecked and the strength it takes to finally say, I won't take it anymore. That's all for now. For more updates, follow us on social media and stay tuned to edX Live for stories that matter.